Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add uninstall a program at the context menu in Windows 10. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to or open any web browser and type this URL winarrow.com. So after the web page is loaded, click on this menu WinArrow apps to get the application. Now scroll down little bit. So you'll see here name of the application, here context menu tuner. So click here context menu tuner to get the download link of the application. So after you have downloaded the zip file, then go to the downloaded location. So go to download location and you will see here CMT folder in zip format. So extract this content of the folder. To extract the zip content from the zip folder, right click here and click here extract all, click extract. Now you can see here the content of the folder is opened. Now click here context menu tuner. Now as the application is loaded, you can see here uninstall or sense a program. Here just click on it and select the locations as desktop. Select the desktop and here you click add and add to selected item and close this window. And now whenever you right click on desktop, you will see here uninstall or sense a program. So if you want to uninstall any program, you can directly do it from the desktop by right clicking and selecting this option, and you will see window for uninstallations or remove any application from your system. So this is how you can add uninstall a program option in context menu in Windows computer. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and thanks for watching my video.